Hi, Bio11A, and welcome to week 2. I wanted to comment on last week. I think we're navigating this. We're doing okay. You had an assignment which was the bumblebee study, and it's because we're talking about scientific method. And so you have to look at things in great detail. You've got to notice the detail of what was happening in that experiment. So just to reiterate what was going on, putting fungicide on the fields was affecting these bumblebee colonies. And the reason it was affecting them was not because it was just on their body and it was something that was killing those bees. It was because it was killing the yeast and fungus that are in the food of those little developing bees. So by destroying that food needed that yeast in there. And if you destroy that yeast, all of a sudden you've destroyed essentially the food of these developing larvae, the developing bees. So you could spray it. You could have an experiment where you spray the adults every day and nothing would happen to those adults. What the problem is with the food of the young. Think of it that way, like the formula. The formula for the developing bees was destroyed because of this. So that was the discovery, the glitch in where exactly are these harmful pesticides acting? Where is the problem? And that way it's more easily solved. If they don't spray while the bloom is there, then the adults don't bring it back to the colony. And essentially they're seeding it. They're bringing that fungicide, killing all the fungus and the yeast, and then that food is no longer viable for the young bees. So that was the gist in that study. So great. I think we're doing fine. We're moving on. I'm looking at the schedule now to chemistry. This is the week where we get a little background in chemistry. It is a large chapter, so stick with that one. And go through that module, going through every step of that module. Every week it will be exactly the same. You will have those same items on the module, and it's going to start to repeat so that it looks really familiar to you. And that's helpful because you know what's coming. Okay, hang in there, guys. For a good week. Contact me if you need, and we will talk soon.